like him? My God! Welcome back. We're back together. Today we're going to Universal. She arrived last night.
At 2 a.m.
We're Hogwarts students today in Disney. I'm wearing a magic band. It's my room key, so kind of weird. I mean, I have it on my phone, so it actually should work on my phone.
I tried it on the phone. It didn't even let me in. I was like, I swear to God, I hope this magic band works.
You're like, let me in! Yeah. We should go. How are you enjoying this first line?
No, thank you.
Let's go and purchase that. I am obsessed. I bought the accordion. I don't feel I'm gonna die of heat, but I brought a fan just in case. Should you bring a fan?
Yeah.
See? We're smart.
Oh my God, I'm finally back. I've been waiting all year.
It's not like you have one in Hollywood, you know. We're gonna go over here to the castle and take photos, so do we look good? We're getting wet over here. Oh wait, it's a video, so you have to act. Action!
Wait, what am I doing?
Okay, we just finished doing the photo shoot. I'm trying to take photos with my boots, and it's hard sometimes.
I was down on the ground. I was doing the dirty work.
I think we got good photos. If you see this thumbnail, it's probably gonna be one of those photos. We're gonna probably go on Hagrid's and then all these rides around here and then hop to the other park. You like him? These things. Just got him.
Right, off you go.
This thing is so difficult.
Stop. I'm coming to help, right? We're aiming right here.
Okay.
Oh! Okay, my turn.
Yeah, not even prepared, Mr. My Turn.
Listen, I'm an abracadabra people.
It's impossible.
Is it?
We put a curse up that blocks that. There's no curses allowed in the village. Do you think we'd give muggles like you a wand and let you go?
Muggles?
Just
Did not
because
try
you bought
me.
the robes don't mean you're here.
Sir, I'm suing Universal. He did not try me that way. It's not working.
Relax. You're not learning how to do it correctly. We're going down like that.
See, I did it. I'm not doing my stuff. Oh my God.
You're doing a
It's
lot
the
right
flower.
now.
Are you messing up with this?
Time.
See? I don't need no help. I got it.
Okay,
I ain't no muggle.
period.
Thank you.
Period.
Thanks. So good. She said she was gonna get an icy instead of this. No thanks. He said that they have a curse. You can't abracadabra people. That's all I came here to do. You know? Get out of my way. But no, there's the curse. We're going around doing these thingies, and they're hard. They'll try you. Hi, y'all.
Hi.
Okay, ready? Bye, guys. Love y'all. Who paid?
Para verla con ella en Ancheta.
It's actually a backpack, so we'll see what she sneaks in there. We are on our way to Universal, and then yeah, we're probably gonna start heading out. It's going good so far though. We've been on a lot of rides, so let's go. My favorite song of the week is We're gonna do 2 more things, the mummy and something in the Wizarding World. Then after that, we're gonna be leaving. Let's go. We did everything that we wanted to do.
I guess, yeah.
I guess. We wrote so many things. It was nice to start our reunion today at Universal. I wore my robe for her. Because she knows I don't do this. It's a no for me. It's too hot sometimes. If you like the video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.